everybody, I hope you're doing well today. Well, today's tutorial video is going to be how to edit your host file. Now, you can do all day long, you can try to do it all day long within the file that it resides in, and it's just not going to work. And so, you don't believe me? Well, I'm about to show you. Alright, so first thing though, I'm going to have this right here. I'm copied and pasted. I'm going to put that in the description so that way you can copy and paste in the search box of your File Explorer folder, so that way you can just go directly to it and it'll be right there. So anyway, I have two folders open. I have, of course, where my host file resides, and then I have my desktop folder open, so that way it's just easier for me to demonstrate for this purpose. So anyway, alright, now like I said, I'm going to show you how to and how not to, but first I'm going to show you how not to. So first, right click, properties, read only, hit apply. Here's your first red flag. It says you'll need administrator permission. Okay, well, just for kicks, I'm just going to hit continue anyway. Alright, there you go. Hit OK. Then you right click, open with, select Notepad, hit OK. Now, you want to add something. So I'm going to attempt to add this right here. Then you either control save, or you can hit just file save. And red flag number 2, it wants you to save it into as a text. Well, you go to files and you can still hit host and replace it. And red flag number 3, you do not have permission to open this file. See the owner of the file or administrator to obtain permission. So we're not doing this, okay? None whatsoever. Alright, so now I'm going to put the file back the way it is supposed to be. Hit continue. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to show you the right way to do it. Alright, so, and just to show you, I'm going to open it up with Notepad, and I'm going to show you that line that I tried to put in there. It's not there. See? It's not there. That bottom line thing there, it's not there. So, alright, now right click, so we're going to drag this to your desktop. Okay, now we're going to right click, we're going to hit the properties, read only, apply, okay, then right click, open with, Notepad, okay. Now you select at the end of that string and you hit your enter key twice, so that way you can put a line between the previous command, and control V, or just right click and paste, whatever, it's all the same. And there you go. And then control S for save, or you can just hit file and save. But anyway, I'll just do it anyway, just to show you I did it. And then you can close this and see how smoothly that is going so far. Alright, then you right click, hit properties, then you put it to read only again, hit apply, hit OK. Then you grab this, drag it back over here, give it permission to do that. Alright, and there you go, it's done. Now, let me just show you. Right click, properties, it's still read only. Right click, open with, Notepad, hit OK. And look, it's still there. It's there. Yay. Alrighty then. Well, I hope this has been very informative for you, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, well, you know what to do. I'll have a link in the description. Also, if you want to give me a donation to help support and make these videos, and check out all my other tutorial things, and give me some comments and stuff. Alright, thank you very much, and have a great one.